sound. From the beginner to the professional, from the novice to the master, from playing, experimenting with things to make a thing called a masterpiece. These are all the elements of art. Our art is sound. Hi, here's L.V. Smith for the second half of this year's Sounds Within. And I can't think of a better way to bring in some great music from the Roar Room, which is in La Cresenta. And that's where I discovered a group called King Soul and the Vibes. So let's go meet them. Here on keyboard, right here, the king himself. Tell him who you are.
All right, my name is King Soul, and I am the keyboardist, as you can see, and lead singer of the band.
Love it. What makes King King?
Love, music, family, and my culture. I'm from Jalisco, Guadalajara, so I love my culture.
You'd be ashamed if you didn't. And here we have on drums. We're going to talk to this drummer here, better known as Jacob, but he's going to say who he really is. Come on out. Who are you?
Hi, I'm Jacob from Las Vegas, and I'm actually the newest member of the band. So it's great to be here.
You sound vintage. Okay. What makes Jacob Jacob?
I travel a lot. I've been playing music since I was 9 and listening to all different styles of music, jazz, Latin, R&B, hip-hop, funk, you know.
The whole gamut.
Yep.
Wow. Okay, we're going to meet this analog kid here. Tell us who you are.
What up? It's the Analog Kid. Thanks for having us, LV, and great to be here.
I'm glad you're here. After hearing this at the Roar Room, I just had to bring you here. Now, okay, Analog, what makes you the kid?
I love life, and I love things analog, meaning like the old school way, like when you actually enjoy things and experience things yourself. And I love food, I love music, and I love people, love everyone.
In other words, you love life.
I sure do.
All right, thank you. We got to meet the heart and soul of the groove. Willie Will, right?
That's correct. I'm Willie Will from Inglewood, California. Thanks for having us, LV.
Love having you, Willie. Now, what makes Willie the Will?
Family, friends, music, my culture, many other aspects of it. But basically, that's who I am.
Another lover of life.
Yes, that's for sure.
I got another question for you, Willie. What was the very first sound you ever remember hearing?
That would be probably water.
Water, okay. Back to Analog. What was the very first sound you ever remember hearing?
Probably would have to be my mom, either talking or singing to me or something like that.
You're so blessed to have a mom that loves you. Moving on to Jacob, the quiet one here, so-called newest member who's vintage. What was the very first sound you ever remember hearing?
I remember listening to classical music when I was like 1 or 2 years old before I'd sleep.
Wow. Okay, coming on to the motivator here, the king. What was the very first sound you ever remember hearing?
Probably my dad saying, "Holy cow, did I just make this?"
Love it, love it. Now let's get on to some real good stuff. Let's hear some music from the Vibes here. What we're gonna hear?
Alrighty, we're gonna hear Another Love, which is a song from our upcoming EP, Far Away Land, which is coming out pretty soon, August 1st. And it is also being released as a single. It's an original ska song I wrote about 10 years ago.
I love it. Let's hear King Soul and the Vibes right now.
This is ska. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up now. Ooh, you don't know where to think.
shabab, 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 shabab. I guess I'll find another love. If you would try and see reality, you are not the only one for me. Shabab, 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 shabab. I guess I'll find another love. As I keep walking on this lonely street, I see a thousand girls said, wait for me. They try to make some loving memory, and here you are still avoiding me. Well, I guess I'll find another love. If you would try and see reality, you are not the only one for me. Shabab, 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 shabab. I guess I'll find another love. I got to find another love. I'm gonna find
Hi, I'm LV Smith, host of the show Sounds Within, which comes on Fridays, 8:30 a.m. and 8:30 p.m. Hey, be sure you tune in and watch Thursday Night Live with Jeff Hodge, Thursday at 10 p.m. See you then. Hey, that was King Soul and the Vibes. And what were we hearing again?
We were just hearing Another Love.
Okay, we're going to move on now exclusively with you, King, since you put together this marvelous, fantastic ensemble here. What does it take to become a really great group like yourselves?
Well, for me, it was really about discovering songwriting, because I didn't really fully feel fulfilled as a musician until I started writing my own music. And what makes this band a little bit different than other bands that you might hear is I want to say, variety of music. We're very versatile. We play a little bit of everything.
So you're more like a fusion band, would you say?
Correct, that's correct. But I couldn't do it without these great musicians. These guys are, they put in just as much hard work as I do, and I'm very blessed to be working with really talented cats. So
I will be one of the first to testify that. Okay. Do you collaborate with other musicians besides the Vibes?
Yeah, actually, we featured Juliana Chavez, which is a terrific singer from the San Fernando Valley, and she is on our upcoming EP and a few songs of them.
Fabulous, fabulous. And where are some of your venues you have played, and where are you planning to be right in the near future?
All right, in the near future, we actually have the Frogtown Art Walk, which is the Art Walk in Silver Lake, coming up. We're really excited about that. We're also playing Kulak's Woodshed August 9th, and that's also like live streaming online. We've been all over the LA area. We've actually even gone down to like San Diego a couple times, and but this is our home. This is where we play most of the time.
And you're gaining traction. So what are we going to hear from King Soul and the Vibes?
All right, this next song is actually called Tierra Lejana. It's a beautiful Spanish reggae song, very, very personal to me, and it's also on the upcoming EP.
Love it. Take it away, King Soul and the Vibes.
Solo memorias existen en mí de la tierra donde yo nací, cicatrices en mi corazón de la tierra donde yo crecí. No he podido encontrar la razón de la nostalgia que llego a sentir. Se ha clavado en mi pecho y yo no tengo fuerzas para resistir. Hollywood me vendió su versión de la tierra de oportunidad. En las movies y televisión parecía el país ideal. A mi madre solita dejé para un futuro mejor encontrar. Rumbo al norte empecé a viajar, a Gringolandia llegué a trabajar. Persistencia en mi corazón, persistencia de un día regresar. Aunque el éxito no lo encontré, nunca lo dejaré de buscar. Bendiciones que Dios me mandó para tener un futuro mejor. Bendiciones que no recibí, solo veo tristeza y dolor.
Viva, viva.
Hi, I'm LV Smith, host of the show Sounds Within, which comes on every Friday, 8:30 a.m. and 8:30 p.m. When I'm not producing that show, I like to watch James Jones Jr.'s show, which is called Anybody Can Play Guitar, which comes on Fridays at 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. See you then. Hey, that was King Soul and the Vibes. I just love this. I can't get enough of this. Okay, I'm going to hit every member here. Look at your camera right there, Analog. And what is your advice for the future analog kids?
Future analog kids, don't do drugs. Well, at least the bad ones, and do what you really want to do. What you really want to do when you're 18, do it. Don't let anything hold you back.
Fabulous. Great words from Analog Kid. Okay, Willie Will, what is your advice for the future Willies?
Don't ever give up on your dreams and your goals. If you want to be a Congo player like me, don't ever stop being that. Always strive for whatever you want to do. I've been playing music since I was a kid, and I never stopped.
Wise words, Willie. Wise words. Okay, Jacob, for the future Jacobs from Las Vegas, what are your words for the future Jacob drummers?
Well, it's a similar theme as everybody, but when you're thinking about what you want to do with the rest of your life, try to think about what you would do for free and out of your own passion rather than just for money or to satisfy people around you. So that's what's kept me going, kept me on the right track, and brought me here.
Definitely on the right tempo. Okay, King, closing words. What do you have to offer to the future kings?
I just want to say, find what you love, what drives you absolutely crazy in the best way, and do it until the day you die. Just basically build your life around that, and don't let anybody tell you otherwise.
A great day to die every day.
Sure.
All right, how can we get in contact with?
You can look us up on kingsoul.net and also on Instagram, Facebook. We're actually on all social media. And you can look up #KingSoulMusic. Oh, yes, we have an upcoming EP, Faraway Land, coming August 1st. Look out for that on Amazon and iTunes and all that good stuff.
What are you going to take us out with?
We're going to do a song called Hidden Treasures with a very important message for our listeners today.
Great. Closing off with King Soul and the Vibes. Tune back in for another edition of Sounds Within. Peace.
Look where technology has got us. And don't communicate no more. We stop ourselves from feeling happy. We stop
Hi, this is LV Smith, host of the show Sounds Within, which comes on Fridays, 8:30 a.m. and 8:30 p.m. When I'm not producing that show, I like to watch Dan Nicewander's show called The Now Men Show, Thursdays at 8 a.m. and 8 p.m.
Marie, you have prediabetes.
Prediabetes? I don't have time to eat right or exercise. I'm a busy mom.
Oh, you're a busy mom.
Yeah.
This is great news. Busy moms never get prediabetes.
Wait, what?
Let me just... Yeah, this is all the people at risk for prediabetes, and way over here, busy moms. No?
Hey, I'm James,
Hi, I'm Aaron.
Hi, I'm Anna.
I'm Jasper.
and together we're Anna Lee and the Authorities. Come check out LV Smith's show on The
Sound Within.
According to the medical profession, black garlic helps to repair skin damage. It contains twice the antioxidants as regular garlic, and it restores skin cells damaged by aging process. Sunflower seed butter is rich and it has unsaturated fat acids. Use it instead of peanut butter and you'll be surprised. And you can compare that peanut butter with some apples or celery and it gives you the optimum benefit. Salmon has high omega-3 contents, making it the go-to fish for a healthy skin. Sweet potatoes, peppers, almonds, and all foods are high in vitamin A, C, and E. They are also rich in antioxidants that combat damages and free radicals that occur in your skin.